Hi, I'm Joe from Salute Caravans, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough tour of our 20'6" Salute Estate SL-2. Now this is a bunk van, off-road, off-grid. It is a late 2025 model, ready for immediate delivery and looking for a new home. So I'm going to go through the specs with you inside and out. So as you can see here, you've got the DA35 hitch, stone guard, 2.9 kilo gas bottles, large double-sided box with slides, and of course customary large tunnel boot. As you can see here, beautiful green colour. We've got the long awning, independent suspension, double step, and 16-inch alloys, Eurovision 2 windows, 20'6", as I said, family bunk van, as you can see here. And as we come around, it is built with our Duratec timberless frame, spare wheel, dual cherry can holders. It's got the wireless camera, of course, and diesel heater. So there's a diesel heater tank. So as you can come down the side there, it's the offside. Got a bit of a hatch there. And we've got the hot water service, which is a dual gas electric, 28 litre. Of course, we have the external shower, and on the chassis, we've got the battery boxes, which is two 120 amp hour lithium batteries. All right, so 600 watts of solar, and we have the REDARC Manager Alpha 50. So now let's have a look as we come inside. So it's got the rear door, rear east-west bunks, dual bunks. So then we've got the dual opening fridge freezer, Dometic 2-way, 190 litre, fantastic. Got the hatch above us. Of course, we've got the air conditioning heating, which is a reverse cycle. Comes with microwave, full oven, nice bench space there with the single bowl, beautiful colours, gold accents, timber bench tops and white cupboards. And there's the seating area there, bench space. It is a central ensuite, so mid ensuite. Large shower, and I'll just give it a bit extra light here, how's that? And then we've got the toilet, which is a swivel, and it does have a front-loading washing machine. So back into the bedroom area, being a 20'6", this comes with a east-west configuration for the bed, double bed, lots of storage in the cupboards there. You've got the max fan here, we've got the speakers, so they've got internal external speakers. It's a Rocco fan. It's a one-piece composite floor, again it's a Duratec timberless frame. You can see bedside table, lots of storage cupboards underneath the bed there. So as we turn around, looking back into the caravan, so again it's got 600 watts of solar, it's got a REDARC management system Alpha 50, it has two 120 amp hour lithium batteries, it comes with a diesel heater, it comes with sway control, it comes with rear camera which is wireless, it has Sirocco fans in the bunks there, power sources for the kids in the bunks, it's got a diesel heater which is the Webasto, there's the controller for it. Full kitchen, full oven, air conditioning, one-piece composite floor. It has two 95 litre water tanks, 95 litre grey water tank. Ready for a new home, ready for immediate delivery. Of course, it has the Red Vision user interface here. So yeah, that's the 2025 stock model 20'6" Salute Estate SL-2, ready to go. Thank you for watching.